Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to teach you how to navigate the Forex Factory platform. This platform is a platform where Forex traders actually get fundamental news from. Okay, so if you are a serious Forex trader, definitely you would understand the importance of fundamental analysis when it comes to your trading. Okay, so fundamental analysis plays two roles. Okay, depending on the kind of forex trader you are. One, it could give you information which you can use to enter the markets. Two, it could let you know when not to trade if you are the type that don't trade fundamental news. Okay, so if you don't trade fundamental news, coming over to this forexfactory.com is going to help you know when to exit your trades, especially when an high impact news is about to be released. So you don't know if the high impact news is going to be in your favor or if it's going to be against you. So if you're already in profit, you just want to take your profits and leave the market. So when the high impact news hits, whatever direction the market wants to skyrocket to, you just whether you want to skyrocket or nosedive, it doesn't concern you. You're already out of the market, because we have seen situations whereby a trader will be in profits, and the trader does not take consideration of high impact news or fundamental news, and the trader just relaxes while trading. Then high impact news hits, and the trader was in profit before, but once the news was released, the trader just went into loss immediately, because high impact news most times move the market very, very fast. Okay, so once you visited forexfactory.com, the next thing you want to do is it's going to load this particular interface where you will be on the current day. But in case you want to check for the previous day or the days before, you just come over here. Look at this. So you come over here and click on it. So it gives you the calendar. Then you can go and visit any particular day of your choice, and it will show you all the news of that day. Okay, so let me click on it so you can see it. Can you see that? So once you are done, you can select the day you want, and then you click on apply setting down here. You click on apply setting. Once you click on apply setting, it applies the setting and you'll be taken to that particular day of your choice. Okay, so let me cancel this. So as you can see all of these, you would notice two things. Okay, let me move up. So okay, good. You would notice two things. The first thing you would notice is that some of the time you have here is kind of faded. It has faded with the background, while this is darker. The reason is these news below are about to be released. They have not been released yet. Okay, so the time is still in front of us, like we have not gone past the time. That's why those ones are dark. You can see a little green symbol by the side of this 6:45 news. That symbol is telling you that this is the next news to be released. Okay, all these ones that are faded with the background are simply news that has already been released. All right, so you can also see that there are three basic color codes here. You will notice that you have a color code that is like orange, a color code that is red, and you also have one that is yellow. So what does that mean? Any news that has a red color code in front of it, like this rectangular box in front of the in front of the currency, is telling you that that news that is about to be released for that currency is high impact news. High impact news they move the market very, very fast. That's high impact news. You can't joke with it. Okay, while the one in orange, talking about this type, is medium impact news, meaning it won't impact the market so much, okay, but it will have a considerable impact on the market. While the one in yellow is simply low impact news, like it's not gonna move the market much. Okay, it's a little bit insignificant, but you still need to be careful. Okay, so basically that's what the color code is about. Okay, and when you click on anyone, let's say I click on this one for GBP. Okay, the claimant count change, you can see what you have there. You're going to have three values. Okay, One of the value will be the actual value. You are seeing the actual value because it has been released. When I click on the one that has not been released, you won't see actual value. All you will see is previous and forecasts. Okay, so this is the forecast in the middle, like people forecasting that this is what the value would be, and this is the previous, that's the one that was released previously, okay, probably for a previous month, you understand? So that's the value, and you can see you have the actual value over here. Okay, so in front of that, what do you have? Look at this. If you click on this, it will tell you more about the news. Okay, while this will give you the charts, so you can have a diagrammatic representation of that particular stuff. All right, so let me click on this. So you see, I just clicked on that folder symbol. As you can see, it's telling you more about that particular news. Okay, and how it can impact the market. So for those that love trading with fundamentals, you can come and do more research here, so you have an idea that okay, if the news is released and it is so value, the market is expected to go up, so you use that to frame a trade entry. Okay, so let me go back, exit. While if you click on this other one right here, it will give you the charts. Okay, so this is the chart and this is how it looks. All right, so this can also help you have a visual representation of what is really going on as far as that particular news is concerned. So let me just show you one more thing before I go. So look at this. This news has not been released yet. I want to click on it just to show you that you won't have an actual value for it. You will only have just the forecasted value and also the previous value. So let me click on it. Okay, there's no data for this yet. Let me click on this one. All right, so you can see what you have. This is the previous value right here, and this is the previous value, this is the forecasted value. The actual value has no what's it called, it has no stuff there because the news is about to be released. It has not been released yet. Okay, so basically that's just how you use Forex Factory. If you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.